Dear students, in the last class have seen the first three stanzas of the poem Any Woman, isn't it? Here, the remaining two paragraphs to take. Now let me go through the stanza, the fourth one, okay? I am the twist that holds together the children in its sacred ring, the knot of love whose close tether no child, no lost child goes a wandering. The mother is an angel, isn't it? Mother is an angel. She was loving the children. But the children are not responding to that. The children are not loving their parents like mother. Here we can say it's a mother or the woman is a lovable one. Here mother is a lovable person. Even the child is a thief. What will she do? She will try to protect them, isn't it? Even though the child was a thief, the mother or the woman tried to protect them. That's the love of mother. But the children, what they are doing? They are not loving the parents. I am not saying about all children. They are loving the electronic device. They are giving importance to that. So if the parents scold the children, what they are doing? They are attempting to suicide. Isn't it? Here, if they have confidence, if they are lovable, if they are loving their parents, what they have to do? They have to try to understand the ideas or what they are saying, what mother is saying, what father is saying. They have to try to understand. They have to live according to the situation of the family. പല കുട്ടികളും അവരുടെ ഫാമിലിക്ക് അനുസരിച്ചിട്ടാവില്ല അവരുടെ ജീവിതം. അവരെന്തൊക്കെയോ ആണ് എവിടെയൊക്കെയോ ആണ് എന്നുള്ള നിലയിലാവും. They have to adjust with the family. ഫാമിലിയോട് കൂടി എന്താണ് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ജീവിക്കാൻ പഠിക്കണം കുട്ടികൾ. They are the good children. Okay, next one, let me see. I am the house from floor to roof. I deck the walls, the board I spread. I spin the curtains, warp and woof, and shake the down to be their bed. I am the house. Here, from the first stanza, we are seeing that the house is related to woman. I am the house from floor to roof. Here, floor to roof, what is the meaning here? Floor mudale roof vare. The roof ennu parnal melkura. So, from floor to roof, I am the house. I deck the walls. I deck here meaning decorate. I decorate the walls with number of pictures or anything. Here I am decorating the walls. How she is decorating the wall? How she is decorating the house? By keeping many flowers or by painting pictures like that. The board I spread. What are the things, what are the duties the mother have, the woman have in the house? She was cleaning the dining table. So whatever, back to here, I spin the curtains. I spin the curtains here meaning, I was spinning the curtain. Wap and woof here meaning, what is the meaning of wap and woof? Lengthwise and breadthwise. So, the woman was doing all the duties. She has the responsibility to do all the duties in the house. She has to look after her children. She has to know what they are doing, what the children are doing, whether they are in a good situation, whether their mind is distracting. She has to follow them. She has to follow them. Then only she can understand whether they are in a better way or in a bad situation. Here, and shake the down to their bed, and shake the down to their bed. And she was cleaning the bed. She was cleaning the bed. So here, what are the things that was given in this stanza? I am the house from floor to roof. So I am. Here, woman is considered to be the house from floor to roof. Floor മുതൽ roof വരെ ഇവിടെ ആരാണ് ഇവിടെ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? Who is considered to be the house? Women is considered to be the house. I deck the walls. I deck the walls means I decorate the walls. I decorate the walls with curtains or paintings or flowers, whatever may be. The board I spread. The board here meaning the dining table. The table I have to spread. I have to clean. I spin the curtain. So the curtain was to be spun. How she was spinning? In lengthwise and breadthwise. And shake the down to their bed. And she was cleaning the bed. So these are the things given in this stanza. Do you know how the mother bird was feeding the little one? Isn't it? The mother bird, builds the nest. The mother bird that builds the nest and feeds the little ones, keeping some feathers, soft feathers in the nest, and how it was feeding the little ones. The mother bird was feeding the little one. So like that, our mother, women, are also taking care of us. Do you think that your mother is not caring? Do you have anything? Do you have any ideas like that? All mother are lovable. When you are reached to that stage, when you are to be a parent, you will think of your parents. At that time only you can recognize it. Okay, next one. Next stanza is, I am the wall against all danger. I am the wall. Here, women is considered to be the wall. But സ്ത്രീ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ചുമരായിട്ടാണ് പറയുന്നത്. Here, I am the wall against all danger. If there is a wall, inside, if you are inside the room, if you are within the wall, we are protecting from all danger. Like that, mother is also protecting us from all danger. How the wall is protecting us? Like that, mother is also protecting us. Can you understand? Can you got the idea? Their door against the wind and snow. The door. What is the need of the door? To be against the wind and snow. കാറ്റ് വരുമ്പോഴും മഞ്ഞാവുമ്പോഴും വെയിലാവുമ്പോഴും എല്ലാറ്റിനും പ്രൊട്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഇവിടെ എന്താണ്? The door. Here, who is that door? ആരെയാണ് ഇവിടെ ഡോറായിട്ട് കണക്കാക്കുന്നത്? സ്ത്രീനെയാണ്. Here, woman is considered to be the door against wind and snow. Here we will have number of troubles, problems. Isn't it? We have to share with our parents. Our friends അടുത്ത് മാത്രം share ചെയ്താൽ പോരാ. If you have any problems, if you have any troubles, you have to share with your parents. you will get a remedy, a good remedy from them. അല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് നല്ല ഒരു സൊല്യൂഷൻ അവരിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടുന്നതായിരിക്കും. So they endure against the wind and snow. If we have disease, if we have financial problem, we have to share with them. പലരും ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് എങ്ങനെ കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് എന്നുള്ളത് അറിയാതെ തോന്നിയ പോലെ കാട്ടുമ്പോൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും കൊടുക്കുക, എല്ലാം ലോസായി മാറും, നഷ്ടത്തിലേക്കാണ് പോവുക. സോ യു ഹാവ് ടു ഷെയർ അവർ ഐഡിയാസ്, our problems, our troubles, everything. Thou whom a woman laid in a manger, take me not till the children grow. Here, the woman laid in the manger. What does the manger mean? Here, pultottilan. Here, Mary, നമ്മൾ ക്രിസ്ത്യൻസിനൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ, Mary give birth to Jesus. അല്ലേ? ജീസസിന് ഒരു പുൽത്തൊട്ടിലാണ് ഇവിടെ ജനനം ഉണ്ടായത്. So Mary is giving birth to Jesus in the manger. And we women are praying to Jesus. We are praying to Jesus. What we are praying? Not to take our life till the children grow. എന്താണ് സ്ത്രീകൾ ആവശ്യപ്പെടുന്നത് ദൈവത്തിനോട്? എൻ്റെ ജീവൻ എടുക്കരുത്. എപ്പോ, ഏതുവരെയാണ് എൻ്റെ ജീവൻ എടുക്കരുത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? ടിൽ ദ ചിൽഡ്രൻ ഗ്രോ. എൻ്റെ കുട്ടികൾ വളർന്നു വലുതാവുന്നത് വരെ എൻ്റെ ജീവൻ എന്നിൽ നിന്ന് കൊണ്ടുപോകരുത് എന്ന് ഇവിടെ ദൈവത്തിനോട് സ്ത്രീകൾ ആവശ്യപ്പെടുക. Here, if mother die, what will happen? What will be the situation of the family? Everything will be ruined. എല്ലാം നശിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. So mother or woman has a pivotal role and has an important role in every family. So here metaphorical images are given here as the pillars of the house, the keystone of the arch, the fire upon the hearth, light of the good sun, like that. Here number of metamorphical images are given here. Then like that here, I am the house from floor to roof, then wall against all danger, then another one, door against wind and snow. Like that, many metaphors are used in the Bible. So my dear children, you have to understand the love of your parents, the love of your mother, how women is suffering for the children or their children. Okay, so try to understand it and be good. Now I am winding my class. We will see in the next class. Okay, bye.